Why do we snore? Cavemen sleep in cave and make funny noise. Caveman mouth open and dare wiggle inside. Bear try to run past, tongue in soft groove. Tongue and groove shake like drum. Noise come out nose and mouth like little bear growl. Caveman not know. You snore until friend laugh. Snore sound like thunder or sleepy manna. Sometimes snore shake cave rocks. Caveman dream while snore play music. Big snore come when caveman tired or sleep on that. Little snore when caveman sleep on side. Even baby mammoth snore after long day. Caveman try to stop snore by turning head. Snore is body saying I need good sleep. Caveman learn everyone snore sometimes. Lesson for today, snore is normal and means body resting. Next time you hear snore, remember caveman science.